So I have this beautiful desk, electric desk, my Alex unit, a beautiful PC and monitor, and this ugly chair. So I have to change it. So this is the new chair of the office. So let's assemble it. Let's go. So the chair is all in this package and we're going to assemble it now. So no, I'm kidding. We need this one as well. So let's start by unveiling the chair. All right, the chair is in this place. So let's grab the knife. All right, so let's open it and boom, this is gorgeous. Let's see. Let's put the box away. And boom, this is the chair. It's beautiful, huh? All right, so the chair comes in one piece. Now we just need to put the legs. So that's what we're going to do now. Now we have to open this very carefully as well. Never use a knife as I do, whatever. This has some wheels on it to spin around and be very happy and productive for you guys to see more videos in this channel, right? All right, so it's open. Let's see what's inside. So we have the manual. So we have the base, the wheels, this spider connector, this, I don't know the name, a stick, and the legs, right? And a cover. First, what we need to do is grab this piece and grab those here, right? And just put them right here like this. The build quality is on point, is very nice. This is stainless steel and this is stainless steel as well, and with some rubber plastic filling to it. So yeah, very good. So the next step is turning this around, flip over, grab the screws. This is the bottom part, so you will not see the screws, which is nice. It gets a very clean look, right? We have almost finished. Okay, we have the 8 in place. Okay, so after 3 decades putting the screws in place, let's open the back. Okay, 4, good. Let's flip that over. And now we have to put in the cover. Beautiful. And now the stick, use this, I believe so, like that. Yes. Okay. Okay, so the base is done. Now what I have to do is actually put these on the chair, right? And after that, I just need to put it in place. All right, so do it here without damaging the chair, probably like that. And this is like this, right? This arm is to your right, to my right, all right, just like that. Okay, I'm just screwing enough to put it in place, and then I'll screw them all the way down. Now let's put them very tight. Almost there, and it's good. So I think it's done. Let's put it in place and see the final results. Man, this thing is heavy. Okay, it's good, very easy. Very good. So let's put it in place where the chair belongs. So let's do it. Okay, let's take this one out. So this is the final result. I love the chair. It combines as well with the office setup and will combine with the living room and the dining room. So I'm very content with the result. Let's find out if it is comfortable enough to be sitting for hours while I'm editing the videos for you guys to see. And yeah, that's it. And one more thing, if you have any questions about the building quality or the assemble process, let me know in the comments below and I'll be very happy to respond to all your comments. And yeah, if you like this video, please share, like it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.